Howdy folks, Kevin here. Just a little channel news. So we're up to 7,424 subscribers. And I say we because this is just as much your channel as mine. Did my first live this past week. Well, first of all, I just went over and spent a couple of days with Jake at Buckeye Bushcraft over in his wall tent that he's doing a series from. Spent a couple of days over there. I helped him do a fire reflector project. Fire reflectors aren't fire reflectors. It's basically more of a windbreak and a trap than anything else. But anyway, Jake was nice enough to have us haul some 100-pound logs up over the hill. I'm an old man. He's trying to kill me. Right, Jake? Let's see. Did that live from over there. We did an hour and a half, and we picked the worst time possible to do it. We were up against the State of the Union address, which I didn't watch just because I know what the State of the Union is. Although I kind of consider it successful. We were set up not all that well. I didn't have my camera set up for the lighting and all that kind of thing, so it was kind of dark on my end, better on Jake's end. We did it together. We set up both of our phones and did a live. And let me know that I'm an old man. I couldn't see what those little comments streaming up the side were actually saying, so I had to lean in really close a whole bunch of times just to read it. It's because I'm old. I don't have the bandwidth here in the shed to do that, so I'm either going to have to get some alternative internet out here, or I'm going to have to run a hard line out here from my router in the house all the way out here to the shed, which is going to be a lot of work, and I'm not sure I want to do it. Although I have been requested many, many times to do lives. I don't know why, but I have been. Let's see, what else did I do? Jake had to run off and feed his dog for about an hour. So I did a 30-minute silent video. Well, not silent, I just didn't talk during it. Of just the campfire. And those of you who watched that, it was kind of interesting. When the fire lit, it looked like I actually had something in there, some kind of an accelerant or something like that. So it kind of puffed up and really took off. And I assure you, there was nothing in that fire. We had a fire earlier in the day, and there were a few warm coals left in there. So all I did was put a fire lay on top of all that and waited for it to light itself. And if you go back and look at the first minute of that video, you'll see how it lit itself. It was a freaky kind of light. I guess there was something in there gasifying right where it actually puffed up and did a little flame thrower coming out of the top of that. It was kind of cool. But I assure you there was nothing in there other than wood and a couple of hot coals. Let's see, what else? What else? I'm fixing to do a whole series on the beeswax. I've got some molds and things like that I had come in, and I'm going to do some, of course I'm going to do some candles. I'm going to do some basic beeswax stuff. I'm going to do some lotion bars, and hard to tell what else. Just it'll probably be about a 10-part series. And right now, you guys can tell me, if somebody does a series of videos on YouTube, my plan was to actually launch one episode a week of that series. But would you rather actually see the whole series back to back and nothing else going on? Or would you rather launch one episode a week on a certain day? I can't promise I'm going to go with what you say. But let me know in the comments which one you would prefer. Now, I'm a binge watcher sometimes. I would probably, if it was once a week, I would probably wait till the end and then watch all the episodes back to back. But maybe not. I don't know. My average 365-day rolling view time is still going down, even though I look back month to month to month, and the view time is up all those months. So I don't know how it's going down, But once again, it's YouTube math. I don't know how all that works. There are multiple algorithms that drive all those things on YouTube. And that's basically what's going on. So, as soon as I get to 7,500, I'm going to figure out something to give away. And then I'll do a 7,500 subscriber video to give away something. I don't know what it's going to be. Let's see. What else have I got going on in the world of Salty Dog? Those of you who remember my buddy Ricky, he's been gone for a while now. And right before he passed, he ensured that there were going to be little Rickies running around. And I still got 5 of those out of that litter. So if any of you are looking for a puppy, 6-month-old puppy now, and you're within cruising distance, let me know. So I would really rather that they would go to somebody that I can trust to take care of them, other than taking them to a dog place and letting them find homes for them. A lot of those places I don't trust, I'll be honest with you. And but I've got too many dogs now, and I need to get some of them new homes. It's a sad, sad thing, because I love dogs. I like dogs a lot better than I like people most of the time. Those of you who want to see me in person, I don't know why. Classes start up again here at the end of the month. I've got basically 4 classes that I will be the primary at, and a couple of them is me and Dave as the primaries. But I've got 2 plant classes coming up. First one is in May. Second one's in August. And then I would have to check the schedule. I don't know the exact dates on these, but we've got 2 camp cooking classes that are going to be there. I'm doing some research for a writing project right now that's all going to be revolved around cooking, if I ever get around to getting her done. And that's what's going on in the world of Salty Dog. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Like and subscribe. Those of you who have went over and supported the channel through Patreon, I really appreciate that. I don't do much with the Patreon. There for a little while I was doing like a vlog, which was more behind the scenes stuff and even more informal than speak English, Kevin, than my normal videos. So if you want to go over there and donate $1 a month to the channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. So other than that, subscribe. Please subscribe. And please, even if the video sucks, let it play through all the way to the end, because I need the view time. So, with all that being said, see y'all in the woods. February. Starting up class schedule in February. Come on over.